Welcome. I am excited to introduce myself. I am Monica Fleur, Tusca Ridge's very first virtual garden club member. I have enjoyed gardening for many years across many climates, and now I can share that knowledge with you. I am particularly passionate about sustainable gardening practices and native plant species, which aligns with this club's commitment to gardening, so it is a perfect fit. I look forward to sharing my deep passion for gardening within an enthusiastic, like-minded group such as yours by creating a Tusca Ridge Gardening Tips video series. These videos are something I can bring to our group with my previous professional experience in corporate training and development. I recognize and acknowledge the commitment of each Tusca Ridge member, now including myself, is to share knowledge and learn from fellow members, attend our club's expert-led programs, and work with our community to enhance awareness of the joy gardening can bring to all. I am very hopeful you will share and enjoy the Tusca Ridge Gardening Tips videos. I look forward to your feedback for improvements and suggestions for future topics. The Tusca Ridge Gardening Tip series of videos can help educate ourselves, our community, and help spread the word about our group and responsible gardening practices. All great things for us. So let's get digging!